Squad, baby. Rex, J Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the layout, oh, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, tama in and not the bite to get out. Say, baba.
Nila wana faila whaakau. Ili tupele na maili talo whaakau. Nila wana whaakau maamil ke mga oai. Ili voucher. Time for so far now, nila kusimayole. Talo whaakau umawai whaakau mene ayole yaso. Yano whaakau. Tau tua mara au nanga remote tau sa mo service station nei tona mai. Ma tau te tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele ni sio ma tau au nanga ese. Ale ngata foile, ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik Pak Olusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua tapi lah ucapan lebih out. Mua tapi lah telepon ni time out tu inai lah ucapan. Malah bayang mulu. Mana tua fu? Matua I pasa ina, lo tau maktapa ai no fuanga papeng. Mota Samoa, ore mota mo Samoa. Mado te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Aftaila fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Talapalapa everyone, malole soe for malangi mama, and a warm Pacific greetings to you, all our beautiful viewers. Warm because it was
freezing this morning.
It was.
Yes.
Talk about
it
man.
was oh god, I don't even want to talk about it because it's now the afternoon. The sun is out shining. I want to say a special hello to my friend Lee who's tuned in again today. I'm not wearing the cowboy hat today, but hello anyway. And also hello to Rosemary. I see you've tuned in as well, so welcome ladies. It's going to be another great show because we have food involved today.
Anything, because food is good for the soul. And you're probably wondering, I heard you guys were talking about heartbreak, not to them. We will be discussing a little bit about heartbreak, but when you've got food involved, nah.
Nobody got time to think about heartbreak with food involved.
No one. Because pain, nah, see you later. We don't have time for it because, you know, my superhero right here next to me is just, I got you. Look, first of all, thank you to all of our viewers for tuning in. We hope you're having an amazing day today because we are, even though it was makwa chilly today, I hope you ladies kept yourselves
Keep nice and warm. We've got our teas here, so we are very well prepared. And we're actually going to show you how to buy a talofa voucher because we were talking about it yesterday. And I know everyone here has a loved one back on the island of Samoa. And you know what better to do than send over a little gift to them, huh?
You know, I agree. I've sent one to our Nana back home and she absolutely loves how convenient and how easy it is. And you know, for all of you New Zealand born kids out there who are thinking, oh, I don't even want to send anything to Nana. Well, you know what? It's really easy actually.
Too easy that it can't be an excuse anymore.
We're going to tell you exactly how to do it. And you know what? How easy? As soon as you load your details into the system, it saves, right?
Why don't we teach them how to buy that talofa voucher?
Let's go. Talofa voucher, Pacific 40, one of our sponsors. How to buy a talofa voucher.
Click on the internet icon. Once open, type into the browser www.pacific40.com.
Click on Talofa Voucher Samoa.
You should now see the home page. Scroll up and down to select the service that you want.
For example, I want to send a petrol voucher to a relative or a friend in Samoa. Click on Service Station.
Select from the list of service stations that is close to your family or friend.
Let's click on Malta or Samoa Service Station.
Select the amount of fuel you want to purchase. Let's select 30 tala for an example.
Once selected, your 30 tala voucher will be added to your cart. Remember, your 30 tala voucher amount depends on the daily currency exchange. In the example,
Sender details is your details. So let's say my name is John Doe.
you must complete the form and enter the correct phone number of the person that will receive the voucher in Samoa.
Enter your bank card number details.
And then click Place Your Order.
The receiver in Samoa should get a text immediately with their voucher number and details.
Wow!
How easy was that?
That was easy. And I've tried to send, I have sent a talofa voucher a few times now back home to Samoa, and they love it because a lot of our families in Samoa do struggle to head into town. So what Talofa Voucher have done is they've come to the party to make sure that doesn't matter where you are in Samoa, that they are going to go see you and your ainga with that love. And it's that easy, guys. Even my 17-year-old who is currently working part-time can just pick up her phone like so, enter the details and say, Mum, tina, Mum, Dad, leo send aku singa me fail whaakau I Samoa. It's that easy because Talofa Voucher Pacific 40 are looking at ways to make sure that we are sending love to our families in Samoa, remote areas, because it's not easy now to travel back to town, you know. So Talofa Voucher, thank you so much for thinking about our people in Samoa to make sure that doesn't matter where you are, enjoying the sand, the beach, there's our family here in New Zealand or anywhere around the world can still send you a Talofa Voucher.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of all the people I can send like a voucher over to now. And like, you know, I'll be the most favorite person before Christmas. So there we go.
Yeah, do you know what? Send one to some of your fans that have been commenting here. You've got a lot of fans, Claudia. So send a voucher over to Samoa. It's that easy.
And I only need to put in my details once.
Yeah.
And then it saves it. And then every other time, I don't even have to worry about doing that.
Yeah, it's so easy. Every time I log into Pacific 40 to send a Talofa Voucher over to my grandmother, that easy. It's already in there. Just like that.
Now, we will be heading over into a break very soon,
Yeah.
but do not go away because on the show today, we are going to be talking about and eating food.
Yep. Honestly, we love food, really do. And the people that we've got on board is Let's Cheat Treats.
Yes.
Happiness in a box where all your cheat days is in one box. So yeah.
Stay tuned. And Lee and Rosemary, this is for you.
Welcome to the Pacific Business Hub.
Wana whaila whaakau I le tupele na mai le Talofa Voucher. Ila wana whaakau maa mea te mga oi I le voucher. Tai fu se whanau le laksa mai o le Talofa Voucher o mawai whaakau mane ai o leia so. Ia no whaat.
Tau tua ma le au nanga re mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga I se ese. Ai le ngata hoile ma tau te sia ke ina fo I lo ta vale. sepala ya foi suau. Mola utapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon matu te sepala ya foi e mola utapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tapela uta vale pe out. Nua tapela o telefone ni tai meu tu ina uta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua I pasa ina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga fa pe. Hotsa Samoa. Ole motsa mo Samoa. Mado te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaila fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Welcome to the Pacific Business Hub.
Tua male au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I mata. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale, ma le tele o nisi o mata au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foile, ma tau te sia ke ina fo ila ta vale. Sepala ya foi suau. Mola utapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon matu te sepala ya foi e mola utapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tapela uta vale pe out. Nua tapela o telefone ni tai meu tu ina uta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo. E matua I pasa ina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga fa pe. tau Samoa. Ore mo tamo Samoa. Ma do te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Ma taile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
And
we are back. And you may notice this beautiful spread of food. And yes, good question, because I'm also wondering, what does banana bread / cake have to do with mini pancakes and date scones and chicken and crackers and cheese?
This is the easy peasy way to feed your husband. Cream. What are you?
Cream and chicken.
You know what? While we wait for our special guest today, look, today we thought, you know what? We're going to see how good their jam is against all of this.
So we're not eating chicken and whipped cream?
Well, what does chicken and whipped cream taste like, Claudia? Let's try. Let's go. Sorry. We'll let you know what whipped cream and...
This kind of takes me back to Fear Factor. Do you remember that TV show with Joe Rogan?
It's a bit chilly today, so let's try something out of the ordinary.
For $10.
For
How
$10.
much does whipped cream?
Let's go. There we go. You can... We're going to give it a go because we've been watching a few things. Our guests own their very own business.
I don't know how I feel. So you say you can eat jam with chicken then?
Well, you know,
Okay.
you can, like, as in...
Oh, I think I'm supposed to open this.
Well, while she gets that sorted, look, I just want to say a massive thank you to our sponsors, of course, Pacific Easy Money Transfer, Pacific 40, Seki Works, Say Oriana, the Pacific Business Hub. Look, you know, we really appreciate, you know, everything you have done for us. And look, if you need to find a place to buy that special gift for that somebody, you already know where to go. Head over to Say Oriana and check out their awesome range of clothing, books, you name it. Now at Say Oriana's got you sorted. Look, okay, so there we go. We've got whipped cream and chicken.
Cheers.
Why do I get the...
I thought you were...
Okay.
I was hoping you would have noticed that, but yes, to be fair, I will add...
a little bit more.
Hold on.
So we're going to give this a go because we're going to have...
Try it at your own risk, guys.
Okay, ready?
Cheers. That's actually quite nice.
No. Has that got a... Oh, there you go then. So... That's...
I actually quite enjoy that, to be honest.
Whipped cream.
Who knew? Whipped cream and chicken.
Whipped cream and chicken.
And now, talking about protein as well, today we actually got to film a video with Alessio from Fit Family.
Yeah.
So yes, Alessio, we are getting our protein in today. But yes, we managed to film a video with Alessio, and he is showing you how you can work out and keep fit. If you don't have a gym membership, you can just go outside, go to the beach. There's no excuses. So just keep watching this video.
I know. Baywatch, right up. This.
Oh, yes.
Mr. Baywatch.
Okay, Talofa from East Auckland. Okay, very cold, but it's a beautiful day outside. Come with me, let's go for a workout. Let's go. That's it, everyone. Okay, you can train any place, anytime, any weather. Let's go, fast and forward.
Tau tua male au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele unisio matu au nanga i se. Ai le ngata foi le, ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow mau lau tapan. Apa itu yang vai pa ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu te siapa lah yang voice mau lau tapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tapi lau tak vale pe out. Mua tapi lau telefon ni tai me utu ina lau tapan. Male vai nga mulu. Mana tua fo? E matua I whaasaina, lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga whapengi. Ota Samoa, ore maota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pea mo oi Samoa. Maftaile fia mai, we'll see you again. God bless.
Oh, well, hello there, ladies. Hey, girl. Hi, everyone. Yes, check out these stunning ladies who have just joined us here on BluTable Talanoa. Look, we have the beautiful Theresa and the stunning Veronika here, Nika here. This is actually one of Alessio's number one students there who continues to support Fit Family, not by donating, but by going every single day. Because you're not a donator like me. So lovely to see you both today. Look, we're going to get the ball rolling because we really actually just invited them to have their siamu popo. So check that out. I'm like, I can't wait to test these. But look, we'll get straight into it and we'll get the ladies, the beautiful ladies, to introduce themselves to our viewers. Let's Cheat Treats, which is a happiness in a box where all your cheat days and treats can be grazed and packaged with love. Yes. Because it's all about eating in moderation, eh, ladies? Yes. So we'll start with the introduction. Oh my! You guys are making me. You're popping out, man. Tell us a little bit about yourself, villages, and all that kind of stuff, and then we'll get straight into the hard questions.
Okay. You first.
Okay. I'm Nika. My mom is from Makaukuka in Pea, and my dad is from Whadasi'u.
Yeah. And I'm Theresa, and my mum, she's from here. She's born here, and my nana's from Whalewha, and Whalelatai is my grandfather. So yeah.
So both Samoan women here. Were you both born here in New Zealand?
I was born in Sa, raised in New Zealand.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
I get my fair skin from my mum, so it's
Man, so I know you guys are both working, ladies, and you guys are extremely busy. But man, working full time and you own your own business. Tell us a little bit about your journey.
I guess it all started from how I think we just wanted to see what we could do to make a little bit more money.
Yeah.
So I think COVID did a lot of things to a lot of us, but I guess...
It all started because we actually planned on doing something else in the islands, having a business in Samoa. So when COVID hit, then we thought about making money elsewhere. So this came up. So
yeah, we thought food because we love food.
Who doesn't love food?
And then, but Siam Popo was only meant to be a little feature in there because it would go alongside with
our island box
that we had. But yeah, it all came because this one came over. She eats the Siam Popo. I just got into it.
Yeah.
So, and then I tasted it and I was like, oh, this is really yum.
Yeah.
Hey, it was like a light bulb moment. So we're like, no one sells it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's make money off it.
Oh, so no one sells it in New Zealand?
Well, I think...
Oh, in Auckland?
In Auckland, we don't really know
we
anyone
don't know
else. We did some research,
Yeah.
and I think there's someone that only does Siampopo ice cream.
I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, or something like that, but it's somewhere in the city, so...
Oh,
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
city. And you guys are in the city too, eh?
Yeah. City is how we are.
But you know what? Have you tasted Siam?
No, and I'm really eager to taste it.
Yeah, I've never tasted.
Can we open one up?
Yeah, okay. We're going to open one up, guys. Oh, sorry. Oh, my God.
We will taste this on your behalf, guys.
Man. But the name.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the name, because I love the name.
I think that's just
No,
what
it's
everyone
just-
calls it, eh?
Yeah.
You mean
No, the
business
business name.
name.
we we just wanted to see, get something catchy.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
definitely is catchy.
So
Yeah,
it was catchy.
we love
so we
it.
thought about how people like to have like a cheat
Cheat
day.
meal, yeah.
Cheat meal.
Yeah.
That kind of thing. Yeah. So
Yeah.
so this one came up with the name.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that, I mean, cheat treats, it's all in its own.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we thought that would be a little bit of a treat.
A
for
treat,
everyone.
yeah.
Not to
Because if
indulge in.
Alessio's watching, eh?
Yeah.
Hi, Coach.
You're only supposed to eat like a small portion. He actually had a cake today, so everything in moderation. But man, look, it's fun to talk about the business side of things. Mm-hmm. But man, tell us a little bit about the struggles, because we all go through a little bit of and we're not going to sugarcoat it or siamupopo it. Let's get the real story, ladies. How hard was it? What were your challenges?
Well, with us is because we also work, full time, and then we also have our families that we have to try and balance out business with family. So it is that was quite challenging for us.
It is, and I mean, for ourselves, we started this from home, so everything is sort of pushing aside all our little home space and all of that, and it's a sacrifice, but it's good. Now we can get the family involved, and everyone's got a job, so. But yeah, it is pretty hard to try and balance up what we do, our commitments to what our 9 to 5s. And then coming home and doing this, because if we don't push this out, then what's the purpose of sleepless nights if we don't do anything with it? Yeah.
That is very true. That is very true.
But I mean, that all sounds like, but you guys still do it.
Yeah.
And you guys still look stunning. My goodness, ladies, come on. What's the secret?
Siampopo.
Look, we're going to go into some, we've seen some comments. It's made from fresh coconut cream?
Not if you're saying the coconut from the coconut, no, because we don't have coconut trees here.
In New Zealand,
So the next best thing is
our secret recipe.
our secret coconut cream.
Secret?
But it's pure coconut cream.
Yeah. So, you know what? You guys are, this is a bit too cheeky for me, guys. What's it called? What advice would you ladies have for someone that's looking at starting their own business?
I would say go for it. Take a risk.
Yeah.
You never know until you actually step foot into doing it. So
If you love it, pursue it.
Yeah.
Don't give up on it. It'll be worth it in the end. Yeah. And just surround yourself with good people.
Yeah.
Yeah. People
That motivates you.
That motivates
Push.
you.
Yeah.
That you want to see you thrive. You want to see them thrive. It's the same thing. You want to surround yourself with good people.
Yeah.
I just want to say this is very, very random.
Oh no.
But you have the most beautiful eyelashes. I'm like staring at her and I'm like, wow.
Just girl crush right now.
That as well is very quiet because I was just too distracted by the lashes. We've got the food, we've got beautiful lashes. It's too much for me, okay?
I love that, Claudia, but you know what? I'm glad. Yeah, actually, your lashes.
So we're not talking about lashes.
No.
What's the secret? What's the secret?
Siamo couple. You rub them on. You rub them on.
The secret.
Yeah, that pays for this.
No, I love that. Claudia, I'm just like waiting. I'm like on edge, waiting for Claudia's big, massive question that she's gonna ask us. So I was like, not the bombshell ones on the show. Oh,
But they are bombshell lashes.
bombshell.
Should we head over into a break? And when we come back, we're going to be tasting this gorgeous food with the secret recipe. There's so many things.
Stay tuned, guys. Oh my gosh, I love that.
It was so random.
Levao Theresa Feagaia. Ili tupele na may talo Feagaia. Levao Theresa Feagaia mami te mga oi. Ili voucher. Time for so far now. Ili lang sumayo talo Feagaia mo wai Feagaia man ne ay liya so. Yano fat.
Tau tua male au nanga remote tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale, ma le tele onisio matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foile, ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak ulusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posible fia, mua, tapi lau tak vale Pea out. Nua, tapi lau telefon ni time out ina lau tak vale. Malah bahenga mulu. Mana tua fo? E matua I pasa ina, lo tau maktapa ai no fuanga papengi. Mata Samoa, ore mata mo Samoa. Mata te fia e au na Pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome back. Hola, talofa love everyone. Yes, BluTable Talanoa today with the stunning ladies here to share their story, their journey about how they became and formed their small business here in New Zealand, Aokilani. We're going to get back, while Claudia's going to get our food ready, because again.
I promise I won't start eating before you guys.
I know, please don't, Claudia, because I'm really hungry. But we thought we'll try out the siamu popo with different elements that you can have on a platter for your business catch up with the ladies, with whatever. Whatever. So, you know,
Special someone might come over.
someone's.
Somebody.
Sorry, somebody's. But look, we'll get Claudia sorting that out. But I'll keep asking some questions. Look, what's the best part? I mean, we get it that you guys served up a storm for the All Blacks, the Maori All Blacks last week. But apart, was it the All Blacks?
It was All Blacks.
Oh, sorry, it was the All Blacks team.
Get it right.
She just served me some siamu popo on the show.
It feels like Monday all over.
I know it does. Look, they served up a storm for the All Blacks team. I mean, apart from that, what other highlights? Well, you know what? Stuff the highlights. Tell us about the All Blacks and how they enjoyed the secret recipe.
Well, with that, because my cousin, the owner of Evelina's, shout out to my cousin Nessa and John Langaaya. So they were the ones that were catering for, asked to cater for the All Blacks. So she thought that, she contacted us and just said that, you know, because they wanted island treats or island cuisine. And we're currently selling our siampopos at my cousin's shop. So, so she asked us to bring our siampopos and some coconut bread. So that's how it started. So if it wasn't for her, I guess, so we're thankful for her for inviting us to feature our siampopo on the table for them. So that's how, they got to taste our siampopo.
I saw a Twitter, they said that this is like the reason why they are like...
They're gonna win?
No, I was kidding, but man, what was the feeling? What was that feeling like when the boys were, you know, having a little bit of a taste of Samoa, really?
I was actually like starstruck.
Yeah.
Excited, I guess.
I guess it's. I mean, who would have thought?
Yeah.
You know, something that was, I don't know, made in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our kitchen that's just gone out there, and the All Blacks are having it. So it's great. It's a great feeling.
So you can now say that you have served food to the All Blacks.
They've served the
that off your
secret.
bucket list.
Yeah, man, that's awesome. But did you have any feedback from the boys?
They actually took because I only bought a few, and I saw one of the guys who ran back and, you know, took the last used bottle and took it with them. So I was like, oh, okay, so that's a good sign.
And that probably explains why Alessio's a little bit heartbroken because the All Blacks got served before. But you know what? Hey, you should get some siamu popo for Alessio for the gym. For family. Alessio's commenting, bring one for Saturday for our fit family breakfast is what Alessio's asking for. Alessio, don't worry, she's got a whole box here just for you. But where can we purchase these delicious siamu popo?
You can get them from Evelina's in Otara in Clendon Shopping Centre. Yeah, so they're open from 7, so Tuesday to Sunday, Tuesday to Sunday, and from 6:30 to I think about 6 in Otara and about 8 o'clock in Clendon.
I'm pretty sure our Pacifica crew out here, South Auckland, know the times that Evelina's open.
Yes.
Look, we're going to quickly wrap up because Claudia's looking at me going, hello. Quickly, what are some encouraging messages that you've got for our viewers, and who is your most influential Pacifica person to you both?
You go.
I guess for me, on the personal level, would be my mum and my nana. Yeah. They're pretty strong women, independent. You know, been through a whole lot. So they have a lot to do with how I go about what I do every day. And also Vanessa, this one's cousin that runs Evelina's. Yeah, she's behind the scenes, but man, she's doing a lot of good stuff out there. Not only running her shops, but she's also doing a lot of community stuff as well. So she's all about the people. So yeah, she's pretty humble. She doesn't really talk
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing for me. I would say my parents, my mum and dad.
Yeah.
You know, hardworking island parents. Yeah. And my cousin Ness, you know, she supports us as well, especially allowing our samples to be sold at her shop.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So shout out to you, Vanessa and Mum and Nana. Thank you
Shout
for all
out
the
to
support.
our family. Look, thank you so much, ladies, for joining myself and the beautiful Claudia here on BluTable Talanoa. You know, we like to jazz things up today, so we're going to have, we'll take one element each, I guess, and let's have a taste of, I know it's because I thought I'd try and be fancy today, but you know, that didn't work out well, did it?
But we did try cream and chicken.
No, okay, this is what I wanted to try was whipped cream.
On what? You know what?
On chicken, apparently.
On chicken.
No, so whipped cream. Like,
No, try that. Put that on and then put whipped cream on top.
Okay, yeah,
Oh, I'm
so
gonna
we'll
do
do
the same
that.
actually.
So I'm so sorry if you're still, we're gonna try it out. Whipped cream.
You can live vicariously through us.
Yeah. And don't forget you can, where
I'm so
you
excited.
can purchase, oh, well, can you tell us a little bit about all your page, your handles?
So we not
Sorry,
only
I'm
do
just
sample
like-
boards, we also do graze boxes, like to cater for like, you know, birthdays or just.
It's not working.
Yeah.
If I can do it, you can do it.
So yes,
Le
we're
Masangi.
on Instagram and Facebook.
All right.
Yeah, and TikTok.
Oh, you guys on TikTok too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
TikTok. And,
Check out those photos, man.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the first time I've tasted. Oh, actually, no, I'm having.
You're right there. Eat the sample board, you'll have more power.
Yeah. It's very powerful.
Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
I think I'm in love.
Actually, I think I have to. Okay. Actually, I think I have to do it.
Do you know what I think about this? I'm going in for seconds. That's what I think about it.
This?
You don't even need the whipped cream.
No, you don't. This is. I can't say it, but this is.
Beep.
This is beep good. This is. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for bringing that massive tray through to us. Check this out. It's. Oh my gosh.
You guys have to get your hands on this. It's
This is good. This is good. I'm
going for
done.
thirds.
Yeah, man. Well, I really want to try it out with the cheese that I got, but
Yeah.
I don't think. Do you think I'll go with cheese?
Well, we
Like
had
cheese and
chicken
cracker.
and cream.
Try.
Let's try Tuloa. I'm so sorry, but we have to try it out.
Yeah, why not?
And look, while our guests are away, we'll just enjoy your guys.
Yeah.
This is
I'm going to try it
Add your
too.
chicken.
yeah.
Add your chicken on a cracker and see.
And the chicken.
If it all goes.
No, because you have to try it out, and then we've got the cream on there. And man, this is like siamu popo, cream cheese, delicious. Yeah.
Let me try it.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's like a cheesy.
I told you guys.
Sweet.
Yeah. I normally have this
slightly
with
tangy.
English muffins, the cheese one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's really nice.
Oh, yes,
I'm actually pretty surprised about the combination.
Oh my god, the combination is good.
Yeah.
You're welcome, guys.
Sarong me kasi.
Look, we're so sorry that we have. This is it is.
I'm going to try some.
Oh, okay. Oh, why not?
Don't worry, I'm going training tomorrow.
Ladies, before we wrap the show up, did you have any final words for our viewers today? While we quickly stuff our mouth.
Yeah. Just I don't know, any opportunity, take it. Like if you know it's gonna add value to whatever you're doing, just go for it. Yeah. And buy our sample.
Eat more and more. Yeah. Simple.
Oh, the combination. What's the combination is what we've got here. Oh, this one. I'm just like, someone's asking what's combination. Okay, it's cheese.
It is.
Brie, is it some fancy cheese?
It's brie cheese.
Brie cheese with chicken
Yeah.
You can skip out on the chicken
You
if
can
you
skip
don't
the
want the
chicken,
chicken.
and with siamo popo.
But yeah, cheese and
That was actually really good. I think we need to wrap up the show because we look hungry. we look like we haven't had. Thank you
We look like
thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It's been an absolute honour having the ladies here to share their story about how their siamo popo made it to the All Blacks and their small business journey. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And Evelinga, shout out to Vanessa. That's us, guys.
Yeah.
See you guys later. God bless.
bye.
Esquire, baby. Rex, J Sands. Oh, say I'm say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the layout, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm in and not the bite, say.